Sometimes when I'm using AI and I tell my wife about what I've been doing, she'll say, you should teach people that stuff because, you know, most people don't know that. And I suppose a lot of the time, you kind of, if you're doing something a lot, you just feel like everyone knows it. But understand that probably a lot of people don't know how to use AI to simplify some tasks that actually make a big difference, especially if you want to learn how to make money online. For example, I've got a really clever hack that enables me to go to a website and literally copy and paste, use an AI tool, and then spin that into something that makes me affiliate commissions. It's really, really simple and anyone can do it. Literally anyone can do it. And I'm hosting a free webinar tomorrow, Monday, the 12th of May, 2025 at 11 AM EST, that's 4 PM in the UK. Now, if you're watching this after that date, then you'll find a link to the replay below this video. If you're watching this on or before that time, then you'll find a link below this video to register your seat for that training webinar. Now, it's going to be a live webinar. I will be there and you can ask me questions if you want to. You can interact with me because it's not going to be simulated live. It'll be a real live webinar. And I'm going to show you the simple steps, step by step, to show you how you can use AI on a daily basis to spin content into affiliate commissions that go into your wallet and into your bank account very, very easily using a free AI tool. So this isn't going to cost you a penny, all right? You just need to show up for that webinar and let me show you how I do this. So you've got nothing to lose. So go ahead, click on the button below this video now to register your seat for that free webinar, or if you're watching this after the event, click on the link below this video to watch the replay, and I'll see you either way on that call. You take care and I'll speak to you soon. All the best.